Okay, so it's always great to have the opportunity to speak to people to share knowledge around IT, cybersecurity, AI. Is I mean this has been a passion for me, over the years, and I've had the opportunity to do this at several times to different groups. Yeah, because this is the digital age, and there is no going back. The more we have the right knowledge, the better we can use the invaluable tools and opportunities that the digital space provides to all of us. All right, defining AI. Defining AI. So, like Sophie mentioned during the introduction, most of us are already using AI. I mean, some of us are using it in even an advanced way. Some might be just starting out to understand it. So this content, is gonna address at everyone at different stages where we are with AI, and I assure you that at the end of this, you will surely must have added to your knowledge and skill set around AI. So essentially, it's a machine-based system that can be given set of human defined objectives, and they can make predictions, they can make recommendations or decisions, and this can influence real or virtual environments, so, and they are designed with various levels of autonomy. So it's just a computer code, right? But it's giving set of human defined objectives and instructions, when we tell it to do things. So AI is not new, like they used to say, nothing is new under the sun, right? So it's been there since the 50s. All right. So, but however, what is it that was more like, a watershed moment for AI? It is what is called the generative AI. We will see more about that. So, which is more of, AI being able to create written, visual, and auditory content when given prompts or when provided with existing data. We're going to see more of that as we go on. Okay, so generative AI, like I mentioned, that is what has made the difference. That is why everyone today is talking about AI and is using AI. So it's essentially models that create content in multiple formats, images, text, video, audio content based on the instructions that have been given or the data that has been fed into it. And just to mention that AI is as powerful as the data that has been fed into it. So, and these models are known as modal generative AI models. So, is different from the traditional AI, which focus on simply analyzing and recognizing patterns from the data has been given to it. So generative AI, it seems like simulating human creativity. It can generate new information, not just analyzing an existing data that you gave to it. It can reason, it can think. In fact, while I normally use Microsoft Copilot. When I give a prompt, it will say thinking. That's what normally we do as humans, isn't it? Right. So that's the interesting thing. All right. So, like we know, this is training is tailored to making sure that you get to see practical uses of AI, around the world, and also in what you do as NGOs and your activities. So